Okay, just when you thought it was safe to go for a spring ride. Not happening. There's almost absolutely, well, there was pretty much absolutely no snow on the driveway. There was just a tiny little bit of snow in the bush, and now we're getting this big snow event, they call it. Long-term duration. I already ripped my little orange antenna off on the side of the truck. I don't know what I was doing. Haven't been on the machine for a while. It's just plastic anyway, so I clear this up because we're supposed to get another 6 or 10 inches tonight. We've already got 6 inches of snow in this dump so far. A little bit of a break here. It's not snowing very hard now. I was so hoping for an early spring. It was looking like it. We were up to plus 15 a couple days, and then it just went wicked cold in March. So we're almost at the end of March here, and now we're getting snow. Haven't had much snow all winter, and now we're getting snow. That's the way it goes, I guess. So if you're looking for a nice spring ride, you're probably going to be waiting a little bit, because this is ridiculous. But I'll tell you what, it's sure nice having a plow on this thing. About the only riding I'll be doing for a little bit yet. Unfortunately, I got all kinds of awesome rides planned. Lots of exploring, lots of cutting trail, lots of weird and wonderful places to go. So I'll be dragging everybody out to those again, if they so please or so choose to join me. Like I said before, that there's only a couple of guys that have gone with me again. A lot of people come with me for one ride, and like that's no, that's it, too much for them. But this used to take me probably about 2.5 hours with the snowblower. Now it takes me less than an hour. Now we got to melt all the snow again. See, there's a method to my madness. I try and plow everything down so that up here there's not a lot that has to melt. Although I do get a bunch along there. So everything down, and then it can melt down further already. Run out to the ditches before it gets the property too wet. Not too worried about it right now because it's going to snow more. So I'll take one more run at that. I guess I am a little worried, but It's wintry down here. Ugh. I'm just plowing down to the trail cam so I can keep an eye on it. I think it needs new batteries. Alright, that's about what I've been up to. So hopefully we'll get a spring soon, and I'll see you on the trails. Thanks for watching.